So here with goal scorer today, Napo Matza. So first goal of the year on a penalty, but you actually had the shot that led to the penalty. So take me through that.
I just received the ball in front of the box and I just dribbled to the back four and I took someone on and I saw the goal open and someone just stuck their hand in it, so it hit their hand, so I got a PK and I was confident that I was gonna score it, so I just went with my head up and just put it in the back of the net.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think that you played the ball to Justin that ended up leading to Pitts' goal, the second goal. So how does it feel to kind of be involved on a multiple goal game? You guys haven't had many of those this year.
It feels pretty good. I mean, I try to get involved in every single play that we have in the box, and today was one of those days, and I tried my best to get involved with the box and help the team to get more goals.
Yeah, and just kind of playing on that, you played today and you played a lot recently in like the number 10 role, but you've moved around on the wing a lot this year, so sort of what's it been like sort of moving around a lot, and do you think you found your most comfortable position?
Sometimes it's frustrating to play number 10 because you always have two defensive midfielders on the other team marking you, so I have to get out wide and try to get to the ball as much, but I like number 10 a lot because I can turn and face the back four and drive at them, so and just use my skills to help the team get goals.
Thanks, Napa.
Thank you.